Let's talk about one of the newest tools in the eWeLink app, virtual switches and buttons. No wires, no boxes, just pure cloud power logic. If you wanted to run complex automations without cluttering your device list, this is your new favorite button. Virtual switches are like invisible remotes in your eWeLink app. They don't turn a plug or a bulb on directly, but you can tell them to tell your scenes what to do. Think about them like flags. Flip them on to do this, flip them off to do that. To create one, you'll need the eWeLink Advanced plan, which unlocks virtual switches, buttons, and other powerful features. Once you've got it, just open the app, tap on the plus icon, go to more options, select virtual switches, something like away mode, or even Apocalypse Protocol. Oh my! Now it's inside your device list, like anything else. Away mode. When I leave the house, I flip away mode on. That one click does it all. Turns off lights, powers down dumb stuff, arms my sensors, and sends me a little, "You're covered" notification. Rain override. Sprinklers running in the rain? Not today. I flip the rain override on, watering scene backs off. No soggy succulents here. Guest mode. When your guests come over, I tap my guest mode virtual switch. No scenes to scroll, no voice command, just one tap, and my house gets visitor ready. Lights go to warm, fans come on, and my motion alerts take a nap. How it works in eWeLink. The virtual switch being toggled on is a trigger for an eWeLink scene. Set the light color and brightness, turn on a fan plug, mute camera notifications, disable notifications from motion sensors. Bonus suggestion, if you've got a Sonoff NSPanel, you can display the virtual switch on the screen and can toggle it manually from there too, making it perfect for hallway or guest bedrooms. Why should you use them? They don't use setup hardware slots. They're brilliant for logic, grouping, and cross-platform setups. Virtual switches, the most useful thing you didn't know you had. Got a clever virtual switch setup? Drop it in the comments. I'll feature the best ones in a future video. Hit that like button, slap subscribe if you want smart homes done right. Smart homes are not just about devices, they're about ideas.